If you think that simply changing a video's speed, flipping it, or adding a slight zoom will stop YouTube from recognizing that it came from another source, you're mistaken. In 2026, YouTube's systems are far more advanced than they used to be. They don't just analyze how a video looks, they also evaluate the content itself, the audio, the editing style, and most importantly, how much original value you've added. So, if you want to build a successful YouTube channel and monetize it without running into issues like reused content, you need professional editing that genuinely transforms the viewing experience instead of relying on basic visual tricks. But before we get started, if you're interested in growing on YouTube, making money online, and learning professional editing techniques, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. It really helps the channel reach more creators. Now, let's jump straight into the editing techniques that can make your videos more engaging, more original, and far more valuable to your audience. The first rule is to make every video reflect your own creative style. Never upload a clip exactly as it is. Break it into shorter sections, rearrange the sequence, and build a completely different flow from the original. When you reconstruct the story in your own way, the final result becomes a new viewing experience rather than just a copy with minor edits. Second, add voiceover commentary, explanations, or analysis. If you don't want to use your own voice, you can use a high-quality AI voice, but your narration should educate, explain, or provide insights instead of simply describing what's happening on screen. Videos that add meaningful context are far more valuable to viewers. Third, avoid leaving the same shot on screen for too long. Switch camera angles, use zoom-ins to highlight important moments, insert supporting footage, add smooth transitions, and include visual elements like arrows, circles, captions, graphics, or statistics whenever they improve the explanation. The goal is to make the audience feel they're watching a carefully produced video, not a recycled clip. Fourth, use licensed or royalty-free music and sound effects whenever possible. Don't rely on the original audio throughout the entire video. If you need to use a small portion of the original sound for context, keep it limited and return to your own narration or background music afterward. Fifth, make sure every minute of your video provides value. Ask yourself, what will viewers learn? What new information or perspective am I adding? What makes this different from the original source? The more unique value you provide, the stronger your content becomes. Sixth, don't rely on outdated tricks like flipping the image, changing colors, slightly increasing the playback speed, or adding borders around the video. These edits alone don't make content original, and they don't guarantee that you'll avoid copyright claims or reused content reviews. Seventh, if you're using clips from movies, sports events, interviews, or TV shows, keep them short and combine them with your own commentary, analysis, supporting footage, graphics, text, and transitions. The source material should support your message, not become the entire video. 8. Focus on high-quality editing. Use clean transitions, consistent color correction, easy-to-read text, professional subtitles, and well-timed visual effects. High production quality keeps viewers engaged longer, which can improve your watch time and overall channel performance. Finally, remember that long-term success on YouTube doesn't come from trying to outsmart the platform. It comes from creating videos that genuinely offer something new. If your content reflects your own editing style, your analysis, your narration, and your creative vision, while delivering a different experience from the original source, you'll have a much stronger foundation for building a successful channel. Creativity and originality are what help channels grow for years, not shortcuts or temporary tricks.